Okay, Zhuhai for now, Mendes, Pinto, and we're gonna come out to this kind of cool little circular, well, you see it, it's like a rotunda. So we're gonna walk right all the way through. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And before we go through, let's kind of show you where we were. So we were coming down this other market street down that way, which was this one. And you got some buses and kind of another street down that way. And we're gonna be basically walking down this little market street down here. Zhuhai, Ferna, Mendes, Pinto. So let's go check it all out. Got lots of fruits and vegetables, probably some nice blueberries there, 38. It's pretty good for blueberries. Actually, these are African blue. Those are really good. I eat those all the time, but I pay about the same price in the supermarket. I thought it was gonna be a lot cheaper here, but maybe not always cheaper. Barber shop. Yeah, looks like this is going to be closing soon, but we're catching it now on a Sunday night. So some people are closing up shop, like right here already, right? And right there too. And other ones are still open for a little bit. Looks like she's doing some inventory there. People hanging out there. And then you can also see that there's things on both sides. So I think what we'll do is we'll cut across. That's where we're just at. So there's also stuff on this side too, right? It looks like a little bit darker on this side. And we'll just keep walking all the way down. Pretty good prices overall. This one always has people hanging out in front of here. I used to think that they're Vietnamese. I don't know where they're from exactly, but this little courtyard, so everybody's kind of hanging out in this area. We'll just kind of go through it real quick. Yeah, I don't know if they're Chinese or Vietnamese. For some reason I have the impression that they might be Vietnamese. Let's see if we can get around here. Nice little helmet there, peak helmet. So I don't know if they're I think that they're maybe from Vietnam, I think, maybe? I'm not sure. Maybe Indonesia. I don't know. Okay. Sunday is a day off rest for people who work in helpers in houses. So you'll see a lot of people from Philippines, Indonesia. They didn't look like Filipinos, so I think they're probably from Vietnam or from, because Vietnamese will look a little bit, have more Chinese ethnicity look to them. Then we're gonna come up into this little circular thing, and we'll probably do a separate video with the circular thing because it's kind of interesting. So let's just go right into here. And then this is a little park. It's also quite popular on Sundays, and there's a stage as well. Pretty cool. And then that's where we just went. We just went down that whole street right there. So what we're gonna do is come back this way, and we're gonna end this video right here. We'll end it on this side. And that's the end of our video. It was this little street right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.